It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Before church, me and Miley decided to wake up and make breakfast.
We forgot some things.
We sent my sister in to get milk, strawberries, and whipped cream.
There's my grocery gal.
There you are! Miley makes the best pancakes. She uses the box mix, but still, they are so good. Normally, we cook it on the stove.
But we're putting it in the oven today.
I have all the ingredients to make this recipe I've been wanting to make since yesterday. I'm making banana chocolate chip muffins. To start with these muffins, I need sugar, butter, and vanilla extract. 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, so that's basically like a stick and a quarter. A 1/4 cup of the granulated sugar. A 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We just got this vanilla extract yesterday because we ran out, but we only need a teaspoon. I'm supposed to mix this together with a mixer, but I don't know if we have one. I found out that we do in fact have a mixer. Oh my god, it fell out. Was I supposed to melt the butter?
Yes.
Oh my god. Should I put it in the microwave for a minute?
No. You just have to keep mixing it.
I got it to a good consistency. We're adding in 2 eggs. I don't eat eggs, so if I get some white stuff in here, I didn't. That's surprising. 4 whole bananas. How are the pancakes coming?
Amazing.
They do look so good, Miley. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Probably about that much. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, but we're using kosher salt. We're using chocolate chunks because it's just that much better. That's amazing. Lining my tin with little cupcake liners. I hope these are so good. The kitchen smells amazing. The bacon, the pancakes. I really smell banana right now. Elizabeth, my friend, hates bananas, and I felt so bad. I was like, I'm so sorry, but I'm still gonna make these because I've been craving them since yesterday. This is how the muffins are before we put them in the oven. Bacon's ready. That looks so good. I can slide the muffins to the middle. And this is after the oven. They look scrumptious. We have bacon, dragon fruit, kiwi, strawberries, chocolate chip pancakes, and we're gonna heat this syrup up. My dad wants his syrup heated, so I'm gonna heat some up in the microwave for everybody. Is that enough? Okay. I cut the muffin in half. Look how scrumptious that looks. When I was really young, I wanted to open a bakery, but you know, obviously I knew I couldn't cook. So now I might be thinking about that idea again. You ready to eat?
So good.
I heated up our syrup. We can put it straight on top of our pancakes. Oh, that looks so good. Guys, I got half of a muffin. I have some dragon fruit and kiwi and some bacon. Dad, what do you rate my breakfast?
This is probably the best pancake I've ever had.
Miley made the
Being
pancakes.
honest. Yes.
Miley does make really good
Thank you,
pancakes.
Miley.
Mom, what do you rate breakfast?
10 out of 10.
What do you rate my muffin, I meant to say?
Oh, I haven't tried it yet.
You can bite it real quick. Elizabeth, thoughts?
So good. Love the pancakes.
Miley?
Really good. I love the muffin.
So excited to eat. Now we can go to church happy and stuffed.